Hey guys, so you're sitting in the Piston Lab E46 M3. So this video is about how to refresh your trim from a really tired old silver looking into this kind of piano black. I'll just say that, you know, it ended up being about a 3-week process just because I had to sand it, paint it, wasn't happy with it, so repaint it again. So it's quite an involved process. You definitely will test your patience, but I think the result's pretty damn good, and it really does make the interior look a lot newer. So check out the video. Here it is. Alright, before you can take the door off, you need to take off, there's a screw in here, screw behind the airbag badge. There's 1, 2, 3, so 5 in total that you have to take off. Alright guys, to take the door off, it's pretty simple. It's just these kind of pull tabs. There's lots of them around the door. So if you just give it a good yank, the door will just come straight off. It's a little bit fiddly, but should be pretty easy. Alright guys, so got the door off now. If you want to know how to take the handles off, it's just a few screws. I think it's about 6. So there's one here, one here, one here, and then 1, 2, 3. And that's, once you unbolt that, you just pull the handle off. Alright, so gear lever. There's these little clips here. As you can see, there's 2 on each side. So just make sure you be careful. They sit into these little gaps, so you just got to be really careful when you pull them out. Make sure you don't break them, because they do tend to break. And then once you have this exposed, it's just 2 screws, and then this whole thing just clips out. It's really easy. And then you just got to disconnect the window switches. Easy. One thing worth mentioning is when you take all the trim off, behind there's a lot of clips, and they look like, well, they all fall apart and disintegrate, so it's probably a good time to change them. It's got these off eBay. Although you can't see them, you just make sure nothing rattles or nothing's out of place, so worth doing while you're doing this process.